सब खैरियत से हैं। आज हम बना रहे हैं chocolate pancakes.
Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to make delicious homemade chocolate pancakes. They're really delicious and they're really easy to make, that everyone can make. I'm a 10-year-old girl and I can even make it too. So you guys have to help me make it and make it in your home. Enjoy it with your family, friends. Without any further ado, let's get started onto the pancakes. But before that, I want to ask you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just please subscribe it. That will be so awesome. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And now let's get started onto the pancakes. These are the ingredients. We've got flour, 1 cup, half cup, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, baking powder 1.5 teaspoon, 1 egg, we have 2 tablespoon milk, we have 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and half cup powdered sugar. Let's start. Here I have a fry pan. First of all, I took a bowl and a whisker. Now I'm going to add the egg in it. Then mix it a bit. I'm going to whisk the egg a bit. Then I'm going to add the flour. One cup flour. And this this pancake is of chocolate, so here I have cocoa powder that we're going to add in for chocolate. Add the cocoa powder, son. So we're going to mix it. You may be afraid that why is it so sticky, but it's not going to be sticky for longer. Now we're going to add milk. That is going to help it remove the stickiness. Mix it. This is our mixture. If you think that you should add a bit more milk, you can, as I even added a bit more milk because my milk was less. Now you're going to add powdered sugar. According to your taste, you can make it less or more. Now you're going to add the baking powder.
Vanilla essence.
Baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. And then whisk it again. Our batter is ready. It is not too thick or not too thin. Over here I took a fry pan, add oil in it, and now I'm going to turn on the flame. I'm going to put the fry pan on the stove. Wait till it's hot. Our fry pan is hot. Here I took a spoon. Now I'm going to fill it with the batter, and I'm going to make small round pancakes that are going to be round. Like this. So I'm going to wait it a bit for it to get cold. You can hear the sounds. You can see the pancake. You've got some bubbles on the top. Using spatula, I'm going to turn the pancake around. To flip the pancake, like this. Wow, what a wonderful color.
What a wonderful.
So cute, adorable chocolate pancakes made by me and my brother. I really love the shape. Now I'm going to flip it once again. It's not ready yet from the back.
This shape.
So we're going to let it cook for half a minute and then we'll check. Let's check the pancake. Wow.
Wow,
It's so
really
adorable.
Awesome.
It is cooked from both sides. Now I'm going to take it out in a plate.
Yummy.
Now I'm going to decorate it
I
with some
like it.
garnishing. Here I have
I like
blueberry
it.
topping, syrup, chocolate syrup, and honey. Then we have silver bee pearls, sprinkles, and chocolate spread. You can add anything onto it, but I'm going to add a bit. I'm going to add a bit chocolate syrup onto it, and then some sprinkles.
I want to do it.
Then you can add a bit sprinkles onto yours because this is yours.
I like it. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is our pancake that is ready. It is looking so good. You can add anything to it because it's optional. And now I'm going to taste. Now Sam is going to taste it. How's it?
It tastes like chocolate flavored yogurt. I like it.
I hope you guys liked this video, and this was the end of this video. The pancake is so good. I really loved it, and with the chocolate syrup it tastes so caramelly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more interesting video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye. Love.